Good morning. I just wanted to tell you Happy Mother's Day, but also I wanted to point out that I happened to find a really good deal on whole pork butts. I knew I wouldn't be able to say what all happened. Oh gosh, okay. Whole pork butts, yeah. And I got 2 of them, and they're bone in too. Not a lot of bone, but a little. But I'm glad, because I don't want to pay for bone, right? But I do want that succulent bone moistness, you know, that you get from having the bone in there. If you know, you know. So I want to tell you, I got this for $1.29 a pound. That's a good deal. So, we're going to smoke them today. We're going to smoke one today. And we are going to repurpose the other one, so we can get more than one. We're going to get more than one meal out of both of them, mind you. But like, I just wanted to get that out there and tell you that that's what we're doing today, because I'm going to make my husband record as much as he can, because it's raining, of his smoking process. I'll hand it over to him.
The pork butt that ain't smoked, I cut up. I got 2 packages of 4 pork steaks apiece, about 2 pounds of stewed grind meat, probably grind because we don't need a lot of pork stew, some pork fat for rendering or grinding, and a pork bone. Maybe grating some beans. I think it's a pretty good deal, guys.
I might have lied a little bit, because it's raining. He can't tell you about his smoking prowess right now. So in the meantime, I will add that I am making a German potato salad to go with our festivities tonight. Oh, I fogged right up. Classic. Peace, guys. I'll fill you in on what I do. Is it going to unfog?
Now what all's in there?
Okay, it's just red onion. Bacon grease is our fat we're using for our dressing. This is a hot dressing. Oh, gassing me out with that vinegar.
It's for German potato salad.
German potato salad. This is parsley. I will salt and pepper.
Parsley and onions with bacon grease and rice vinegar.
Mm-hmm.
That's
and
it?
Red wine vinegar.
Oh.
It's just a simple hot dressing. Don't be getting my dirty kitchen now. It's not approved. And I've been keeping my tater salad in the oven warm. It also has I have a little store-bought Italian dressing that I put on here. I just had a little bit. So, it's in there. These are red potatoes. And
you boiled them, then peeled them and chunked them up, right?
Right. And this just goes over the top like that.
It looks delicious.
Right? It's a different potato salad, and it's eaten hot. You'll still get your kind of a pickle factor because of the dressing. And it's going to get bacon chopped up in here. Yum.
We only have about 5 more hours before the pork.
That's okay. This is going to just chill, which will also help with the flavor of it, and then I'll just heat it up again. Simple as that.
Well, for Mother's Day, I'm smoking a pork butt. Just got it on. I got my fire going, which ain't easy considering it's the first rainy day we've had in weeks. Of course, it's got to be Mother's Day. I've got it up to temperature. Look at that smoke. I've got the meat on. So in about 8 to 10 hours, we'll be good. Well, guys, we're now 4 hours in. Temperature's still holding good, around 250. And it's supposed to take 8 to 10 hours. So this is about halfway through. Let's smoke clear. Look at that. Now that's not crusty yet. That's just, oh yeah, that's looking great. About halfway, guys. Check the fire real quick. Oh, doing good, doing good. Well, halfway to the finish line. I'm at hour number 6. My temperature's been holding real good. It got a little bit high once, I brought it right back down. It hadn't gone over 300 or below 225, and it was only at 300 for a couple of minutes. Been staying right at 250. Let the smoke clear. Look at that, guys. Isn't that looking good? Look at the sheen on it. See how soft it is? It's gonna be great. Well, it said 8 to 10 hours, so we're 2 hours away from the first milestone. We'll check the internal temperature and go from there. And guys, here we are at 8 hours. Temperature's holding steady. Get ready for the smoke. Now see, the thing I looked at this morning said 8 to 10 hours. Then I looked at another one that said it was going to take 12 to 15. So I'm hoping 8 to 10 is more like it. Check the internal temperature. Internal temperature of 170. What I saw online said internal temperature of 200. So, it'll take a while longer. Well guys, it's now night time. I'm still cooking this dadgum pork butt. I wrapped it in tin foil to get over the spot where it gets to about 170 and stalls. We'll see what it is right now. So you can't really see how good it is. We're looking at 180. So, a little while longer. Well, guys, it's finally done. Smoked pork butt for pulled pork sandwiches. And German potato salad. That's Mother's Day dinner. Have a good one.